We in KKWIEER have designed unique training model to train our students from first year to final year. We teach the students latest technologies like MATLAB. These new technologies is of great help to the students in getting the job in the leading IT industries, the auto industries, electronics industries, as well as the robotic industries. The students of KKWIEER, on an average, every year 200 plus companies, they do visit KKWIEER and provides the job opportunities to our students. And students are starting their career with a better package.
I have completed my graduation from KKWIEER College of Engineering, Nashik. So I am currently working as a developer at KPIT Technologies. So MathWorks, MATLAB and Simulink has helped me in many ways. So when I was in the college, so there were different courses like MATLAB Fundamental, Simulink Fundamental, MATLAB On-Ramp, Simulink On-Ramp. So at that time, it was like we thought it was difficult, but after going through the courses means we were able to go through it, and it helped me during my placement. So KPIT Technologies mostly work on the automotive domain. So MATLAB is one of the main software they use for it. So in the KPIT also we have gone through this courses again just for the refreshing it, and now it is useful for me when I am doing the work in KPIT.
We are the team TwinX and we appeared for the Smart India Hackathon 2025 under the problem statement released by MathWorks Private Limited. The problem statement was about accelerating high-fidelity road network modeling for Indian traffic simulation.
And we have chosen this problem statement to simulate Indian road scenarios.
We designed our solution by using tools like MATLAB, Simulink, Driving Scenario Designer and RoadRunner.
TwinX software transforms the real Indian roads into the exact digital twins to make the safer traffic simulations and make the improvement in the innovation of autonomous revolution.
By participating in the Smart India Hackathon 2025, Team TwinX has won first prize in the national level competition with the prize money of 1,50,000.
So by doing all these steps, we were successfully able to make the digital twin of the Indian roads much more faster and efficient.
One of the challenges that we faced in this process was about integrating 3D models which are of Indian assets into the RoadRunner, and we integrated that by creating a GUI where we can convert the 2D model into the 3D models by using existing models or tools in the MATLAB. And to learn all these processes, we used the MATLAB documentation, and it was very easy for us to learn from that documentation.
And another challenge we faced was that first we were trying manual work on the RoadRunner software. Then we automated the system in the TwinX UI where the automatic road development and the asset development was made possible.
So our solution consists of 4 configurations. In the first configuration, we have directly integrated OSM into the MATLAB's environment. Then we have added the vehicles on the OSM map, and then we have assigned them behaviors.
Configuration 2 allows the user to write teleprompt and generate a driving scenario designer based scenario, and which can be further implemented on RoadRunner to get real world simulations.
Configuration 3 provides the platform to convert 2D images into the 3D models.
Configuration 4 simulates weather conditions on the Simulink, and the necessary changes are then reflected on the RoadRunner.
We are from Team Nikola Racing. We are manufacturing EVs from 2019, and we are achieving good rank every time. This is our latest innovation, PINAC. So we have secured all India rank 1 in Best Innovation Award and All India rank 4 in overall performance. So we have manufactured this vehicle from scratch. We have manufactured the chassis in our workshop, the aesthetic in our Idea Lab, and other things in our workshop only. So we are using MATLAB for the battery simulations, and we are using the MATLAB simulation for powertrain simulation and selecting products such as motor, controller. So basically MATLAB plays an important role. So currently we have some innovation in this bike. We are using cruise control. We also have accident detection in this vehicle. We have other vehicles also. Our team is currently working in more innovations, so we will get more new products.
I am using MATLAB Online for demonstration of this project. In this system, I have used ResNet and CNN.
for which I have already trained the data set as good rail tracks and defective rail tracks. This image data set is trained and I have received an accuracy of around 88%. After this, we are going to test some images and deploy the wagon.
I am a member of Team Brahmasri Racing, which competes in Baha SE competition, India. We use MATLAB Simulink for electrical system simulation as well as for mechanical system simulation. Here I am showing you the model of our electric vehicle motor. We used this model to determine the dynamic behavior of a motor. We get the outputs as a motor torque, current consumption with respect to the torque output, as well as the temperature variations in the motor and the efficiency losses. This MATLAB model has helped us to optimize our electrical system, estimate the range of the vehicle, and to lower our power consumption of the motor.
MATLAB gave us the winning edge.